Hi guys, today we will discuss about how to use threads without Instagram. So let's get started. The first thing is open your thread application. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right, and here you can see my thread profile is connected with my Instagram. And whenever I will tap on the option Instagram which is on the top right, then I will be moved to my Instagram profile. But now we will discuss, can we use thread without having an Instagram account? And the answer is no, we cannot use thread application without having an Instagram account. But I have a suggestion for this. Like if you want to use thread without having your Instagram account, then you need to create another Instagram account, and you don't need to use that Instagram account. Then connect that Instagram account with your thread profile and then use thread. By this way, you can use thread application without having your original Instagram account, and it was the suggestion and way by which you can do it.